Alright, so we're going to try to find the tangent of angle C. So what you're going to want to do is the tangent of angle C, you're going to do, because it's SOHCAHTOA, so it'd be tan equals opposite over adjacent. So the opposite of angle C is 6, and the adjacent is 7, because the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So your answer comes out to be 6 over 7. That's it.
Roll.
So we're going to be trying to find the cosine of angle x right here. So to find the cosine, we're going to use SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA, so it's going to be C, and then it's going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So for cosine of x, it's going to be adjacent, which is going to be the 9 over hypotenuse. So the answer is going to come out to be 9 over 15. Alright, so we're going to try to find the cosine of angle 30 degrees right here. So for that, again, we're going to need SOHCAHTOA. So KAHTOA, we're going to use the C, and then we're going to have the A over H for hypotenuse. So it's going to be the adjacent, which is 5. Oh wait, restart it. Alright, so we're going to try to find the cosine of this angle, which is 30 degrees. So for that, we're going to use the SOHCAHTOA. So it's going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent of this is 5 radical 3, and the hypotenuse is 25. So it's going to end up looking like this: 5 radical 3 over 25. Then you can reduce it. It can be radical 3 over 5, and that's your answer.
The first part of 8.2 is finding trigonometric ratios. So when finding one, you get a triangle like this, and it usually has letters like A, B, and C, and then numbers like this: 4, 5, and 3. So this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. When you're finding a trigonometric ratio, say we had sine C. So when you have sine C in this triangle, you have to find the opposite leg with the hypotenuse to find that ratio. So when you take C, you find what's opposite, which is 4. So that means 5 is the hypotenuse. So that means it's 4 over 5 for the trigonometric ratio.
Alright, what kind of angle is angle W? Well, it's an angle of elevation because it goes above the horizon. So, it's elevation. Elevation. Action. With our easy how to do math system, you'll learn how to do all our math problems. It'll be so easy. We'll show you our videos in a little bit here, but first, here's a presentation from our sponsors. Action. Giant things! We have so much giant things. Come on down to Mason's Giant Things Emporium, just inside of Miss Broyles' classroom.
Is this constantly you in math class?
But wait! We can help you. Alright, so in this one, angle Q is an angle of depression because it goes below the horizon, and then angle A is an angle of elevation because it goes above the horizon. What now? Now you know how to do math. Leave. Get out of here.
Go. Alright, so we're going to try to figure out if angle A is an angle angle of elevation or depression, and we're going to figure that out by, this is the horizon, this line right here, and so if it is below the horizon, then that makes it an angle of depression, but like with this angle over here, this angle would be an angle of elevation because it is above the horizon. So your answer is depression.